Okay, okay. Asiqaleni manje. Sizoqala sizoqala ngelokuza nge-SMC. Nge-SMC is smart money concept. Smart money concept. So lale ngizomele nithathe ama-notes lawa engizobe nami ngiwa-summarize la. Then ngathanda ukuthi nawe uwa-note down so that uzokwazi ukuthi mhlampe uma usuwedwa u-analyze i-chart, ubuye uzobuka lezi zinto lezi engizobe ngiyibhala la phansi. So kwi-SMC sinento ekuthiwa i-order block. Sinento ekuthiwa i-order block. I-order block yini? I-order block i-collusion yama-orders akwi-market asuke accumulate-ke before i-price move up or down. Shuthi i-order block ngesiZulu nje ngingayichazela ngithi into esuke eyenzeke before i-market i-move up noma iye down. Lapho singa-identify lezo zinto lezo njengo-buy no-sell before kwenzeke i-impulse movement. So i-definition yakho nje yona for i-order block uzoyikhumbuza ngayo if usu-analyze i-chart wedwa. So uzosho ukuthi i-order block is a collusion of ama-orders. Is a collusion of orders in the market. Before kwenzeke ini, before there is i-movement, before there is i-movement yama-up or down. Noma ungayinotha as usho ukuthi okay, it's a movement between before u-buy no-sell. Yiyo nje le i-definition i-definition ye-impulse movement le iyona. Angazi noma kuyabonakala yini clear, angazi but ngizozama ukuyi-check i-video mangiqeda. Okay, then mase i-bullish i-order block, i-bullish le esuke kwenzeka khona uku-buy. So thina sizoyibiza nge-buy order block. Thina sizoyibiza nge-buy sizoyibiza nge-buy order block thina. Yeah, sizoyibiza nge-buy order block. La sisabhreka i-strategy kahle kahle lesi se-SMC ukuthi okay, if ubona lento yini, if ubona lento yini. It's not like manje sesingene kwi-strategy ukuthi okay, sisayasibhreka ukuthi if kwenzeka lokhu kusuke kwenzakalani. So i-bullish order block yona yilo i-buy order block njalo. Sizoyibona ngokuthi mhlampe if uvula i-chart ufica into emkanje. If uvula i-chart uzofica into emkanje, kuchaza ukuthi sizwe kuzobe ilo iyakhona. Then mese siba ne-cell, then mese siba ne-cell order block. Ezasondelana nendocate one. Then i-cell order block yona siyibona ngani? I-cell order block siyibona ngokuthi ibe nekhandlela la, then iphinde izoba nekhandlela la, okusho ukuthi i-movement yakhona ingahamba kanje, then kwenzeke u-cell wethu, then kwenzeke i-cell la, i-cell order block le. Okay, then and then mese singena kwi-bullish impulse. Then last besingena kwi-bullish impulse sisuke bullish impulse. Okay, i-bullish impulse yona yenzeka kanjani? If kwenzekile then the market isuka la, i-market isuka la, then yehla straight down, then mayifika la, then yasiyenze njani? Yasi-create i-buy, yasi-create i-buy pulse, i-buy impulse movement la, okusho ukuthi izonyuka iyenze njani? Iye phezulu la isuke khona, yenze njani? Yenze i-buy impulse movement la. So la singayibiza le part nge-buy impulse movement. Yenze la i-buy yenze i-buy impulse movement la, okusho ukuthi besenze njani? Sisuke sibheka i-last candle ya-sell. If usifuna ukubhaya sibheka i-last candle yangani? Ya-sell. Futhi la uzobe usubhala enothini lakho ukuthi we are looking at the last sell candlestick. Sisuke sifuna siluka i-last sell candlestick before i-market yenze njani? Before i-market buy, sisuke sifuna i-last candlestick lesuke kwenzeka khona i-buy impulse movement. Futhi ilali ikhandlela esuke sizolibheka ileli la last sell ukuthi lenze njani. Then i-market izobe isithatha i-buy impulse movement, okusho ukuthi izobe isinyuka le i-order block le ya-buy, i-order block ya-buy. Then mese sibheka i-sell because sisuyibiza nge-sell thina. Then masibheka i-sell, I think isizoba nento kanje. Then la mayisisinika i-small candle, then la isinika i-long candlestick, then ebesithatha i-movement yethu, then ebesithatha i-sell impulse movement la sesinani lo sim-identify as sell impulse movement. Yeah, it's a sell impulse movement. La sibhekani-ke kwi-sell impulse movement, sibheka we look at i-last candle, we look at i-last buy, candlestick la. Before i-market yenze njani i-sell, sibheka i-last candlestick ka-buy ukuthi yenze njani, then before i-market i-sell iye phansi. Before market sells, si-check-a i-candlestick ka-buy yokugcina eyenzakalile before kwenzeke i-impulse move, i-sell impulse movement, okusho ukuthi i-market le izobe isuke khona ibheka phansi, le izobe isuke khona ibheka phansi. Then mese siba iy'nqombe le, okay, mese sijampa kwi-low cruise, so bese sijampa kwi-order block variations.